The service portals provided by Yeeflow are secure application gateways designed to provide customers, vendors, and partners with a single point of access to a company's products, services, and information. In this tutorial, we will go through how to set up your applications to a service portal. Here we have a sales management app, which is used to track the business opportunities and activities. It includes the accounts, contacts, opportunities, sales-related documents, and a dashboard for opportunities analysis. And now, we are planning to share this application with our business partners, to allow our partners to access the related information, submit new opportunities, and collaborate with our internal partner management team. To create a service portal, click the Settings button from the top right and select Service Portal from the Operation menu. Click the Configure Your Service Portal button. In the pop-up window, firstly set up the name of the portal and the customized URL. Your business partners will access the service portal via this URL. Click Next button. Select how would you like the partners to access your portal. Select Public will allow anyone to sign up with their email and access your portal. Select Private if you want to have only invited users to log in and access your portal. The next step is to select which contents will be available to your portal users. You can change the settings at any time. Click Complete button to create your portal. You can see the portal name and the related URL. Click the Settings button to change the properties. The following sections include all the components currently available for this portal. Click Select Components button to change the settings if required. In the Data List section, click Configure button to set the properties of each list. You can set different access permissions for each group, like if they can access the data, the available data views, if they can add new item, update existing items, or delete items. You can also configure the associated forms for each list. For example, when the partners create a new contact, the form is different than the internal users. Manage the portal users, groups, and appearances from the Advanced Settings section. Click Users to access the portal users list. You can manually add new users from here by adding the username and email address. If your portal type is set as public, once any user sign up in this portal, you will see the user info from this list too. Click the Reset Password button to set new password for portal users. Manage or create multiple user groups from the Groups Management list. Set the access permissions for each group in the Permissions Settings page, or manage users of these groups. The Menu section allows you to customize the menu items of the portal site, like show or hide a component, or change the display orders of each item. From the drop-down list, select how would you like the menu be displayed, on the top or from the left. You can customize the logo and icon of your portal site. In the Appearance Settings page, upload the icon file and the logo photo. Once you get all the things done, share the link to your partners to allow them log in with their accounts. From the Business Partner portal, the partners can view the sales information, submit the opportunities and activities, and your internal partner management team can receive the updates from the partners and take actions accordingly. Create your own service portal site and connect with your external users today with Yeeflow.